So the last time we had Randy's car out, we were at the LS Nasty race. Got to make a good few passes. We're having some issues with the car breaking loose down track. I think we've got some suspension issues happening. The converter is also a little tight, so we made some changes. We got some things we're doing. Transmission is out now, making a few changes in there. Lenny at Ultimate Converters. He got the converter, done a stator change, trying to make it so that we don't have quite so much drop back RPM on the shift. So we need that thing loosened up just a tad, so hopefully that's going to be right. We're dropping about 14 pounds of boost on the gear shift. So we're trying to make it so it doesn't drop so much there and it doesn't have to recover. So I was really busy with my car at this race as well, so it's always challenging when you've got multiple cars you're trying to help with. So I didn't get to do a lot of plug reads. So going to pull all the plugs out of it tonight, see what the tune looked like, make some changes there. Hopefully in the next couple days, we'll have all the transmission stuff back together. Brian's going to swap everything into the new transmission case. So we'll have the new transmission ready, put it back in, have the new converter with the new stator. We're going to raise the front end up, make any type of tune changes that we need to make. So go ahead and get that stuff done. Randy's going to pull the rock arms off and retorque the heads. Then I think we'll be pretty much ready to go after all that's done. Short list to work on at this time. Hopefully we'll get everything done and accomplished pretty quickly. The next race is going to be the Carolina No Time race at Piedmont. We're really hoping for a better showing next time. We had the crank trigger issue last time at the Carolina No Time race. So hopefully this time it'll go better. Transmission is out. He's getting some work done to that, making a few changes. Getting a new case and bell housing. He's got a spacer plate on it now, and Brian thinks it's flexing. And that's one of the issues we're having with the bolts coming loose on the transmission. So while I'm over here today, I'm going to just pull the plugs out of it. We got a few passes on the plugs, so I'm going to just pull the plugs out of it, see what the tune-up stuff looks like. Okay, so here's the plugs, passenger side, cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cylinder 4 is the hottest of the bunch, and it's fairly hot compared to the rest. So we're going to try to figure out what's going on with that one. That was not terrible. It's a little warm. They're all a little warm. That one right there is about perfect. That's about half the cadmium burn. So is this one. So number 4 is the hot one on this side. So this is the driver's side. Looking at these, let's do one at a time. So this is the driver's side. It's a little hot, not terrible. Definitely got some individual cylinder that we can do to clean this thing up individually. That was close. It's got a little bit of cadmium. It's still a little hot too. This entire side is warmer. It's not terrible. It's a little hotter than what we would like. So we're going to end up adding fuel across the whole board, and then those couple that are a little hotter, then we'll end up adding a good substantial amount to those. Try to figure out what's going on, try to get it so that it's consistently from cylinder to cylinder.